In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a reusable email template in Universell that can be used for campaigns and marketing automations. From the dashboard, navigate to Marketing, then click New Template. Start by selecting Copy From if you'd like to use an existing template as a starting point. You can also leave this blank and create a template from scratch. Next, enter a template title. This name is for internal use and helps you identify the template later. Then enter your email subject, which is the subject line your recipients will see when they receive the email. To monitor engagement, enable Track Open. This allows Universell to record when recipients open your email. If needed, configure Alert On to receive notifications for specific email activities. You can also enter email addresses in the CC and BCC fields to automatically send copies of the email whenever it's delivered. Next, choose the Associate module. This determines where the template will be available throughout the platform. Depending on your workflow, you can associate the template with customers, leads, or pipelines. You can add fields like user first name and last name, email, phone number, address, etc. Finally, compose your email using the built-in editor. You can add formatted text, images, buttons, links, and personalized merge fields to create professional, engaging emails. Once you're satisfied with your content, save the template. Your email template is now ready to use in campaigns and marketing automations throughout Universell. That's it. You've successfully created an email template in Universell. You can now reuse this template in your email campaigns and automation workflows, helping you save time while delivering consistent, professional communication to your customers. Now, let's create an SMS template. From the Marketing menu, open SMS Templates. Choose SMS Template from the top. Then click New Template to create a new SMS message template. Start by selecting a category for your SMS template. If you can't find the category you need, simply click Manage, then Add Category. Enter an appropriate category name, save it, and then select it from the list. Keeping your templates organized into categories makes them easier to manage as your library grows. Next, enter a descriptive SMS template name so you can easily identify it later. Then type your SMS message. Keep your message short, clear, and focused. Once your message is ready, click Add to save the template. Your SMS template is now saved and ready to use in SMS campaigns, marketing automations, and other communication workflows throughout Universell. You've now learned how to create both email and SMS templates in Universell.